Hey everyone, in this video, I will be showing you how to change a Facebook page URL. So this is a very easy tutorial. Open your Facebook, tap your profile, click settings and privacy, and then tap settings. Now you just have to wait for a couple of seconds as it is loading. So once you're under your settings and privacy, you can now click or switch to your Facebook page. So I'm currently switching to my Facebook page. You just have to tap your profile at the top right corner. And then here you have to scroll down and then you will see this. Actually, this is the first option that you can see, general page settings. And then go to username. To change your Facebook URL, you can click this edit right here and then you can type or set your public username, same as your timeline address. So you can just simply type anything here and then you will see X if it's not available or username is not available. And once it's available, then you can see this username is available. So you can tap the save changes. And then after that, they will ask for your password, submit, and then to see the result, what you're going to do is to tap or refresh. Then you will see here on your timeline address that your Facebook page URL has changed. So if you have found this video helpful, please do like and subscribe to our channel. If you want to suggest any topic, just feel free to comment down below. See you again in our next video tutorials.